была коротка, в ночь ее поезд увез. First I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. I grew strong, I learned how to carry on. And saw you back from outer space, and I found you here with that sad look upon your face. I should change that stupid luck, or make you leave your key. If I had known for a second you'd be back to bother me, I will.
Останемся одни, оторвавшись от земли, между солнцем и луной с тобой. Они мысленно побросали якоря, но это не твоя история, напрасные слезы, а солнце